Hey guys, welcome to Helpful Solutions. This is how to fix TV not opening. So first one is just simply check power connections and make sure the TV is securely plugged into a working outlet. And if using a surge protector, just simply connect the TV directly to the wall socket to rule out issues with the protector. Now, just simply inspect the remote control and just simply replace the batteries in the remote and try turning on the TV using the physical power button on the TV itself to determine if the remote is the issue. Another one is power cycle the TV. So unplug the TV from the power source and wait for about 60 seconds and then plug it back in. And this can reset internal components and resolve minor glitches. Another one is check the standby light. So if the standby light is on, but the TV doesn't turn on, it might indicate a hardware issue. In this case, contacting a professional technician is recommended. There goes, see ya.